Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this short video I'm going to show you a trick that might make building strings in JavaScript a little bit easier. If you watched the previous videos, you might remember that we had this getDayURL function, which creates a URL by concatenating a bunch of strings together. As you can see here, we're concatenating the base URL class constant with some constant strings and some variables for the year, month, and day together. And using something known as template literals, we can combine all of these constant strings and variables together in one nice looking string, and it makes the code look a little bit cleaner and can also help you prevent some mistakes. So the way that we do that is we need to use a special character which is called the backtick, and it looks like this. It's like a backwards slanted apostrophe. And inside of there we just put our string, and we can also inject variables. If you want to put a variable, the way you do it is you put a $ and curly brackets, and inside of the curly brackets you put whatever variable you want to display. So for us, the first variable will be the base URL constant, so we're going to say MLB game day API.base URL, and then you just continue on with the string however you'd like. So now we'll add this portion of it, /components /game /MLB /year _, and now we want to add the year variable. So I'll do a $, curly brackets, year, and in the curly brackets, and continue on with the string. So I'll do that for month, $, curly brackets, month, /, and finally for the day. And one thing to note is you can't put these on separate lines, because if you insert a new line in this string, it will actually include the new line in your string. So now I will save this and refresh and make sure that everything worked properly. We can tell that it worked by ensuring that we have data appearing on the screen, and there's our data. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this, and I'm also going to use this method in one other location, which is where we construct the string for today's games. So I'll go over to my game screen, and here we are adding the away team name, an @ and the home team name, and instead of that I'm going to use the template literals. So I'll say title equals item.awayTeamName @ item.homeTeamName. I'll delete that, and I will save and refresh to make sure it worked. And it looks like everything worked. So this is known as template literals. They can be a convenient way if you have to create strings by combining variables and constant strings. And if you'd like to find out more information about them, Mozilla has a great reference on here, so you can just search for template literals. So thanks for watching the video.